All right, so today we've got the Hiearcool, I'm gonna call it Hiearcool, active noise canceling headphones. Here's the box, here's the back. Let's look at some specs. 40 millimeter neodymium, 40 millimeter neodymium. Okay, 40 millimeter neodymium. I cannot pronounce that word. Look, just Google it. Anyways, these are noise cancellation up to 25 decibels. I like that they put that up there because a lot of headphones claim to be noise canceling, and they, you know, going to block out all this sound, but they don't really block out that much sound. And this right here tells me it's going to block out some sound, not all of it, because I've seen on my Parrot Zeke 2s, they block up to like, I don't know, like 60% or something like that, or 60 dB. Anyways, playing time for music, 12 hours. That's pretty much about it. Let's get into these bad boys. Let's take this plastic off of here, and then we unbox. Okay, there we go. All right, let's put this over here, show it some respect, just a little. Hiearcool. I like that, Hiearcool. Okay, we got a semi-hard shell case, not too big. But these, you know what, I noticed from what it looks like on Amazon, they have a very similar look to the Proxel Serenity headphones, except they don't have that that red in there. Also, these are circular ear cups. They're circular, but they have the opening, it's oval. So there are some differences, but you know, as far as the headband and everything, they have a very similar look to the Proxel Serenity headphones. Let's see what's in this little pouch right here. Got this velveteen pouch. So you got your USB, your micro USB charging cable right here, plenty of those on deck. Then you got your 3.5 millimeter. I'm gonna tell you right now, this thing does not seem to be very long at all. If you got your phone in your pocket, that's about as far away as you're gonna be in wired mode. Let me leave this out because I'm gonna test it wired. Then you got this airplane deal right here. So let's just put this back in the pouch. We'll leave out the 3.5 millimeter. You got some instructions too. And let's get to the piece de resistance. Build quality, I'm in love with this build quality. Nice solid build, man. You got a little bit of plastic here, but this is mostly metal on this little band right here. Let me see, do you have some markers? Yeah, you got some markers there, some notches. I wouldn't call them markers. Then the headband is nice, nice construction, nice and plush, but it's not too thick. Nice soft vinyl on top of there. The ear cups are ridiculously soft. It's not memory foam or anything like that, but it's like this super soft vinyl. You got your markings left and right. They do not fold up, however they do lay flat on a table or in the case like that. That's why they were packaged like that. Oh, there's your ANC button right there, or not a button, it's actually a switch. Let me see. Okay, it comes on with the headphones off. We'll test that out in a second. Got your charging port right there. On the right ear cup, we have a power button with a big old fat square LED. A volume up, volume down, those are multifunction. They are going to, okay, first of all, the power button is actually a multifunction button. It'll play and pause. And then the forward and back track and volume up and volume down are multifunction too. You only got 3 buttons right there. Then you got your 3.5 right there. Got very minimal branding, just says Hiearcool right there. Let me slap these on my head real quick, see how much they cancel out. Hit that switch. Okay, so wow, yes, very comfortable headphones, man. Even though they're circular design, like you don't even feel these ear cuffs, man. It's just stuff just like melts on the side of your head. God, dog is comfortable. Just ridiculous comfort, man. It's like they're not even on your head. Let me try this ANC. All right, so the ANC is yeah, it's gonna block out some loads. Wait. Okay, I hear a car going by, but I hear the tires, like the high-pitched sound of the tires. I don't hear any motors or mufflers, anything like that. And now I can hear the lower tones, like I can hear the lower tones in the room and in the house. And now they go away. There's no cabin pressure in here at all, none of that. But the noise canceling, it works. It's just for low tones. They're very honest in their packaging and their description. It says 25 decibels. I think you do get 25 decibels of noise canceling. That's a very honest statement. I like that. I'm gonna start looking for that on my noise canceling headphone reviews. So let's turn them on and see how they sound. Let me see. Get these bad boys paired up. Okay, I will tell you that the voice prompt, she does not have a sexy voice at all. Let me see here. Yeah, that lady, her voice is not soothing or sexy. No ASMR there. Okay, so oh, I was listening to this Pusha T Millions featuring Rick Ross. So we're gonna listen to it. No EQ. This is gonna be flat with I'm gonna take it up to the max volume. No noise canceling. Let me see how this works. Okay, it does not have the latest Bluetooth. It does not control the volume on your phone. They're separate volumes, so remember that. Okay, it shocked me. Oh man. Okay, so overall volume, it's loud enough. It's not mega loud. I've definitely heard louder, but the sound quality is actually really good. Let me hear this one more time. Sound quality is nice, man. Sound quality is very nice on these headphones. All the elements are there, mids, highs, and bass. Now let's go into the noise canceling, and then I'll try some other music. Let me see that same song, noise canceling. This song jams. Okay, so once you turn on the noise canceling, sound signature does change. Okay, it sounds, it gets boosted, but there's also more of a hollow sound to the sound signature. So after you turn on that noise canceling, you're gonna need some EQ. I didn't feel like I needed it with the noise canceling off. They sounded great, but once you hit that switch, sound signature gets a boost. The sound overall volume gets a boost. However, the sound signature changes to more of a hollowy sound, so you'll probably just need to EQ it a little bit. Not too bad though, not terrible. Let me try some different music genres to see how it sounds with maybe, let's see here. Let's listen to some pop. Let's listen to some Charlie Puth. Now I like how the beat comes in on this song. You just want attention. It sounds good. So wait a minute. Noise canceling's on. I don't hear that hollowy effect. So it's just the music genre or the song I was listening to. Wow. Okay, I see what's happening now. I feel like the soundstage got opened up when I turned on the noise canceling. On this particular song, when I started with the noise canceling on and it sounded fantastic. And then I turned it off and it brought the music in closer. It tightened up the soundstage, and then I turned it back on, and then the soundstage opened up and it sounded better. It sounds great either way, but with this noise canceling on, it opens up the soundstage. I like that. Let me see. This song jams, man. These headphones sound good. Okay, I've heard enough. I'm done with the review, man. So, if you got a little change itching in your pocket, man, and you want to spend it on some Hiearcool with noise canceling headphones, I say go for it. The sound signature's good. Doesn't need too much EQ, if any, because I haven't touched the EQ. The pop song sounds great. Maybe on some hip hop, you might want to EQ a little bit. Overall volume is plenty. It's not mega loud, but it is definitely plenty to knock out all the sounds. I couldn't hear nothing. The noise canceling works. Remember, it blocks out low tones and it's 25 decibels, as they have stated right there. I can't say anything bad about them. I love the build quality. I would bet you could wear these almost all day without even noticing you had them on your head. So look, that's all I gotta say about these things. But before I get out of here, y'all make sure y'all tap on that like button, smash that subscribe button, and we'll see you at the next one. Okay, wait a minute. I was getting ready to, I shut the camera off. I was done with the review. Wait a minute. Let me plug this in. I said I was gonna try this out for y'all. Let me try it real quick. Let me see something. What have I done here? Okay, once you plug in the cable, it turns them off. I think it's in search mode. The Bluetooth light is flashing. So let me just turn these off all the way. Oh, that voice. All right, so let me plug these in. Plug this in. Like I said, this is not a long cable, but who cares? You probably got tons of those laying around. So it plugs into the right ear cup. Let me see what it is. Let me see what they sound like. Yes. Wow. Let me try that noise canceling. Because you can have it on with the headphones plugged in. All right, it's on. Dang. Wow. Wow. Hang on. Hang on, y'all. Hang on. Let me try this nice for what? Let me see. Woo! That low bass. Okay. I'm not gonna sit here and lie to you. These sound way better when you wire them, and y'all know my phone has a weak DAC. These sound way better when you wire them and then turn on the AC. They sound better wired with the AC off. I'm sorry, they sound better wired with the ANC off than they do wireless with it on or off. But then when you kick that ANC on, sound boost, everything gets boosted, everything is clean. I like these headphones. Hiearcool, I salute you on some budget noise canceling headphones that are nice. Oh my God. Yeah, pick them up. All right, I'm out here for the second time.